Good morning. I'm Hank Jesh, president of the Cocoa, Orange County Cobra Owners Club of America. And this is our car. It's a 1964 289 Cobra CSX 2222. This being 2222 has several of the advanced features that were different from the very early cars. It has Ford instead of Lucas electrics. Has side vents to vent some of the heat from the engine compartment. Disc brakes, rack and pinion steering. And this particular car was raced amateurly for a few years. And the only body modification was they had a small roll hoop on the driver's side that was removed many years ago. This car was an original Princess Blue red interior car, and as a lot of these, they've changed hands several times and colors also, almost like changing your shirt in the morning. The other interesting feature this car has is because it was raced, it has the Weber option, Weber carburetor option, which is that was one of the items when I first saw the car that led me to have a particular interest. And then when I saw the VIN number that it was the same as our Shelby, I asked Lynn Park, okay, where do I sign? And my wife's comment was, after she saw the number, she says, well, I guess we just bought a Cobra. So, like I said, we've only owned it for about 2 years, and we have just absolutely enjoyed immensely driving it. It takes about one shift, and you get a grin on your face, and you're 16 years old again. Fortunately, I married the right girl. She was her daddy's car gal. She didn't quite understand the importance or the significance of Shelby American at that time, but one of the cars on that list was a Street 289. My wife has been very supportive all these years. I tell her that, and she agrees, our association with our club and other automobile enthusiasts has allowed us to go places we never would have gone, to been invited to different events that we never would have seen, met people that we never should have met, and been places that we probably could have got arrested for a couple of times. But it has been a fantastic journey, and we're fortunate that our children enjoy this. And because they said, well, what are you going to do with your cars, Dad? I said, you know, that's going to be your problem. I'm going to enjoy them until I can't get in and out. Here's my lovely wife, Kathy. We've been married 52 years, and I wouldn't be where I am without her support. She has been behind this adventure our whole married life, much to her consternation at times. But as she will agree, we have had more wonderful adventures and met some wonderful, wonderful people over the years. And I can't thank you enough. And what we always say is, it's the cars that get you together, but it's the people that bring you back.
True.
Thank you.
Relationships are.
Thank you.